Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Hinna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said yetia.
Ghana for the team send okra no ewo. Yenhwe benkum ne yenhwe nifa. Obia ho bebo mo bia no ye beka ho asem. Bada bia meka sebio yemfa ni etranto enkasa pani ho. Ye ni atem. Yen sheda mo ye trimpo se be gu obia ni mu ase. Oye papa ye beka. E chance e be hwa adwene so. Mede dia kwasensi asem de kabre na edru so. Because a Design and Technology Institute so masha say admission for 2025 and 2026. Ye na pe ensa no nwuma. Yes ya ka kire m say and the real stuff na ba bia be ko bia ensa no nwuma na ewreni. 8 years the degrees the PhD the doctorate ni nyina ye good. But nyansa no nwuma bi kakra efa eka ho. Sere bia akona se wo administrator na person na se nyanya ready a plumbing bia betimi aye. So sound engineering bia betimi aye. Eturo ni HDT santetie ni bi enya de ema wom. Set graphic design, welding and fabrication, design innovation, sound engineering, animation, photography, afi entrepreneurship so ehwonim de enya adesua enso frame 0541 693 534 0541 693 534 na kwaji tete papa efefro mo enche weba mama daily graphic anopen kwa na asana ya hiti on the drivers o mo se o mo ntiti o machine ade ebo so ene amanebo a daily graphic ade buy say 2637 ECG containers retrieved. Nyame ne yedana se na buy na jobi kan asem nti majibre akenkan krata no na hwade hweba bi ese enya 2637 containers no every year. And say as of April 30th, 2025, now you see your outstanding containers of 2,583. Emu 860, you see Meridian Port Services. Emu 1,237, you Ghana Port and Harbour Authority for a terminal. And a national security be found 272 at the core. Niaka ye 194 national. You see Amaris terminal. And at 20 so you free Atlas manufacturing terminal. So most of them na a war. Ye harbor around where. And then we can be a say, yes, Sumakasani no so. Yenye Jumano. Yen susuma kasano enoso ni enye adwuma no kasano ya too much kasano ya too much. I say we are quick to report on the bad things. Maybe ake nya bra hwe ne mamu yi a the other mama can say hu say uye investor now pe baby do sika ko ye investment. No, be abo o my Ghana diachiro. The next day you tune in and hear your minister of energy telling you say I buy containers over 1,000 a year I buy port. Na buy the mpo na ye hu. Na ne individual ankra de ye fa de enye hwe. Timke na manfo te me say enye ne ma nyina ne prebeka ho asem. And maybe one more, yen slow down kakra. In the haste to paint somebody black, yen slow down kakra. Ushe areas, this is a graphical. And according to graphic, also one the head of communications of energy ministry, di komwa, or man is how details we nyina. Ushe areas, ya bosu nyina, emu bien wa ye far away from ye habono enclave. But they come here and say, Ayira, eh. So, Nabujo Jinapo, Adana Meka, Nanyamwa Payoso. I just want you to hasten slowly. Nyabotre. and the crowd thank God because I interview can any okra na ye. Slow down. Jai interviews nima wanted interviews over there. Na what you man. Because who as a minister, if you get it wrong, who can write it at the ministry? Ashenkafo ya tete ashenkade boso. Ya monia brem ho na yenteso no. That the kama me came for statement no. I think a please for so MY send omoye ewo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Say nra statement came about implementation of new transport fares in Kumasi. Almost 17 in tiom nyina ne se omanya ne tie se ashenkafo bi ni say 15% reduction no. Omo nye ho adwuma omo nteso because other components we want more apart from fuel no spare parts bo and conform breakthrough lo sade any bo and conform tenya do metpene ama 15% na adwuma so okay me so omo ne MTT ka bom se na be ya shenkani bia onto bo so by 15% within Kumasi enclave no emra no ene obedi I think it's the right step to go. Yet now Chrome Hanum ama some time ago within 1 week near to Ashanti Adibum 3 times within 1 week. Within 1 week near to Ashanti Adibum 3 times. I am saying I near fro trotro ye near fro ye fatas mokas nesu ayewon. At that time ana moto to Ashanti Adibum bam even Abraham penfo from ntia ye emye nyintu kwan Ghana fo twia ntum amode baaye pemu akasa mo hyehyeye no sempesa mo to ahyentiade buamu a moni eku na esefata GLTCC GPRTU and all driver union plus the transport ministry ehye di komo na nyina magyato ba ye tro mam hanu ma ahyenkafo to ahyentiade bom wa bra na san hyemde ne mraso Ghana fo kan no tumu ene agito mu. Are you telling me say at that time one? Na mo to asentade bom boom na ne ma nyina na ne bo nyina kosoro. Masa. Mo ya amana ye time. Mo ye amana ye time. Mo ye amana ye time. Enye mo kwa na wo pe mfaso bum. Enye mo kwa na wo pe mfaso bum. Obi enya mfaso bum ni bia wo pe. Yemma omeya mamra na hye no enya adwuma. So I love the way I came me no. See and dealing with them one. Obi a fam ran e de ahye ne sema no pebia. Enu ba ku wo ba mame mame ba ku asantuma for report de no. Ba ku bi just wo raba eye me time ti dova we. Ti dova we.
Oh, boss, Jamama, I say and tear the so. I say Ghana police for I'm a to one dear so and I say. Say, police for him, I'm on to one dear so. Who do I can say 27 the court just what? Who bet your police for
na a police for say no mojia obeso mteso.
Police for nipa 4 police for 4 is a 5 in the general over through a chan chromo in Suta Johnson omo and asotwe omo ansana ba akwa go through jabe omo nti omo nyina age 5 cities no sa no enti ya yante 27
Na sebi nya asem ne ka we pa nya sabe pa na wadu we sebi nya sabe pa na papa ped mo ato no asmo ke wom ha eti we ni wunyina so ntia wo ka kire me say won tia hyentiade boso we ni wunyina so ebe sem TTD obi bi obe na adwen so be ya so brache se on pene man hye na penefo de ba anya adwuma no ye mo me ya mambra enipa kro endi sane mu ye to ahyentiade abuamu a mo pesa police fo ebuamo ne yetimi enforce saade no saade ne yate so a o se te so ne ya adwuma magana fo nya so mfaso o man kwabra santina be ya fo atena se o man mo acha no pai.
Well, Major, so maybe I come about don't discount the gentleman as I think it's also another chapter for us to take this up. I post if only be one. If you have not been a driver before, because of kind of You know, if from a Fijasi to a Jesu, you are paying about 20 Ghana cedi as bribe to a police officer, you know, that one said Obenya. So let's not discount it. It is not the basis for say intimate affairs. But opposed for being openly, they will be taking money from drivers. Openly. You know, and they're quite that's how dangerous it is becoming. Yeah, we are losing everything in this country. Now, as I said, we crowd per casa don't. Now, post Linda could do catch us. We don't need to be crowd. Jimmy Momo number. And yet, do doya in Casada enough evidence to disrupt the activity. But who said 2016 he posed nearly after almost 30 years of service to the country. No, I feel guilty. No, I'm not a norm. You are supposed to be more than ATM. Why? Because don't discard it. And again, he's trying to force it down on traders. Maybe you know, they be a catch us. Maybe go find them $1 and $40 now about 11 or 10. Don't force me. Don't force me because I'm so suspicious of the gains that we've gotten. It's my prayer that these gains will be sustained. So when the judge won't see them be brassy. Ejibusia na yejumo. Oman we mu kojibusia ye adwuma nsi hu won nko with the exception of maybe Exim Bank. Na Exim Bank akwa partyism. Party for nko omo buy Exim Bank bebrebe ni na go there. Semester na go there. Party for nko we on a scale of 100 we non-partisan people of Ghana is about 2%. It happened in the previous administration. What goes into taking decision in this country? That's why I'm upset with the Kujeto Black. So you call a whole embassy to a halt because of an individual or an act, forgetting about brand Ghana. Now one small Kujeto Black or what can Ghana hand me say to the extent that you are the foreign minister. Private jet to the buy. I don't know from. There's no principle in this country. So men can say, Asem Papa can papa. It's true. Police for GG. It's requirement never for some more jai. That's also the how the free on Marco. We are driving now if 5 cities if you go to you have no idea how it gets to you. Kwaboso can I call a eco. The attitude war. Go to Aboso, go to Kumasi Madezi. So it's an attitude. You have to stop that. Mr. Discard you be I'm into business. And I know how we feel. Meaning Busi and Makwajia and the banks be down the course of close down the Juma. So don't talk, say the Oki Canabia in Nimsa. And I'm saying the foreign minister has called the whole Ghana to a halt. We're exposed here to ridicule. Say it's on a connection, a bribe, nowhere than America. And we are clapping. Then Casaman paying Saki amount for Nation Odikai. Odikai, at his vetting, we all saw it. Kekan Sama Kasia in this country about people and then he's gone scot-free. And then your whole embassy because you claim an individual. There are no classified documents again. Foreign minister be the Dabonti. No classified documents. Diplomat? My goodness, what country is this? How about Ora? You have a question?
Papa, I've seen. I'm ready for you to answer.